Let's two-line poems. This is one type of poems. There are two lines. So first one is Guru Govindom Kade Kake Lagum poem. Paligare Guru Apne Jine Govin Jio Batais. If the Guru and teacher and gods both are standing same times, then tell me to whom I will bow, respect them. I will respect teachers. Because the teacher only includes the God. Kal kare so aaj kare so abal. Fal mein pralay hoyegi, paguri karogi kabal. You go do good things, then tomorrow's, then do today's, then do today's, then do now. Because the fraction of seconds that earthquake or disaster may comes, then when we will do that good things. Good things.